Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone and welcome to What the Fork. In today's episode, we're going to talk sweethearts. It's almost Valentine's Day and guess what? Candy sweethearts are going to be in short supply this year. The company that started making them like 153 years ago, Necco, closed down last year and they were quickly bought by Round Hill. Oddly enough, that company decided to sell it just a few months later and they were purchased by the Spengler Company. The thing is the Spengler Company hasn't been able to ramp up for production. Necco sells almost 8 billion candy hearts around Valentine's Day every single year. That's a lot of candy hearts to produce. So even though Spengler has the brand and has purchased it, they're not quite ready just yet, which means you're not gonna be able to find those delicious candy sweethearts on the aisle this year. I know, everyone's gonna be like running out screaming crazy like it's the apocalypse, but it's okay. There's still other options for you. Brock's, another candy maker, actually makes conversation hearts too, so you can purchase those. So while there is going to be a shortage, there's still other options. And if you don't want candy, Krispy Kreme is also making conversational donuts. So there's lots of options out there. That said, I'm a fan of the Necco ones, so I look forward to buying them in 2020. I'll see you guys next time.